Hello everyone, welcome back in our online session for Maths 2. Yesterday in our session, you had seen some properties about the circle. Today we are going to see in circle tangent segment theorem. Tangent segment theorem. In previous session, you had seen property about the tangent. A tangent of any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius of the point of contact. A tangent of any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius of the point of contact. Means if you draw a circle and with center O, P and so on, and you draw a radius at that point, you take one point P which is on circle and draw tangent from this point. Then this tangent and this radius, the tangent touches to the radius of the point of contact. Both are perpendicular to each other. So here tangent makes 90-degree angle to radius. This is our property we had seen in our last session. Using this property, we are going to prove today's theorem. This is a one tangent we draw from a point which lies on circle. Suppose this point lies on outside the circle. You all know on circle, if any point on circle, you can draw only one tangent from this point. If point lies in a circle, you cannot draw a tangent of the circle. If point lies outside the circle, then you can draw two tangent of the circle. You understand? This P point lies on circle, then point which lies on circle, you can draw only one tangent for the circle. If point lies outside the circle, if any point lies outside the circle, then from that point you can draw two tangent. You can draw two tangent. So read here, two tangent can be drawn to a circle from the point outside the circle. And this tangent drawn outside point, they always congruent. They always congruent. Means tangent segment drawn from external point or outside. External outside same. Tangent segment drawn from external point to a circle are congruent. Both tangent are congruent. Suppose this is circle center with center. If we take a point at this point outside the circle, you can draw this tangent and this tangent. Means two tangent you can draw from outside point of the circle. Both tangents are congruent. Both tangents are congruent. This is property of tangent drawn from outside the circle. So we are going to prove this property. We are going to prove this property. So theorem is tangent segment drawn from an external point to a circle are congruent. Tangent segment drawn from an external point to circle are congruent. You have to prove this property. हमें ये थ्योरम प्रूव करना है. जो प्रॉपर्टी हमने देखी कि आउटसाइड सर्कल के आउटसाइड से जो बिंदु हम ले रहे हैं, पॉइंट ले रहे हैं, उसमें से जो दो टेंजेंट हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं वो दोनों टेंजेंट कॉन्ग्रुएंट होते हैं, एक दूसरे से इक्वल होते हैं. So our theorem is tangent segment drawn from an external point to a circle are congruent. Our first part of theorem is to draw diagram. So first I draw circle with center O. I take one point outside the circle. Center is O and outside point call as a P point. This is P point and this is center point O. Okay. Tangent segment drawn from an external point. Then draw tangent in this way. First tangent, then second tangent in this way. Two tangents are drawn. Okay. So then our next part is given. Next part is given. Now both tangent touches circle at that point. This is Q point and name this point R point. Means PQ tangent and PR tangent touches respectively on circle at Q and R point. Then write down given. Our next part of theorem given. In given you have to write down about the diagram. Circle with center O. This is a circle with center O. So I write a circle with center O with tangent PQ and PR. With tangent PQ and PR. Touch the circle at Q and R point. Touch the circle Q and R point. मतलब दोनों टेंजेंट सर्कल को Q और R में टच कर रहे हैं, स्पर्श कर रहे हैं. This is given. Then to prove. प्रूव क्या हमारा? They are congruent. Both tangent are congruent. डायग्राम में हमारे टेंजेंट के नाम क्या है? PQ and PR. So you have to show in to prove segment PQ congruent segment PR. Segment PQ congruent segment PR. Now do some construction. Here I draw a segment OQ, which is a radius of this circle. Then I draw second radius OR. Then third construction, I join O and P point also. I join O and P point also. I get OP segment. Because of OP segment, we get two triangle. First triangle OQP and second triangle ORP. Both triangles are right angle triangle. Why they are right angle triangle? Yes, because OQ perpendicular to tangent PQ, OR perpendicular to tangent PR. OR perpendicular to tangent PR. So OQP and ORP both are right angle triangle. Then we do some construction here in diagram. Write down in your notebook. Construction. Draw segment OQ, OR and OP. Just we draw it to prove. अभी हमें इसे प्रूव करना है. Because of segment OP we get two triangle. In triangle OQP and triangle ORP. In triangle OQP and ORP. Angle OQP and ORP is equal to 90 degree. Is equal to 90 degree. Both triangles are 90 degree. And triangle OQP and ORP angle OQP is equal to angle ORP is equal to 90 degree. Give the reason tangent theorem. Both angles are 90 degrees, so triangle OQP and triangle ORP both are right angle triangle. So if you show both triangle congruent, then you can prove segment PQ and PR both are congruent. So in triangle OQP and in triangle ORP, segment OP congruent segment OP. This is common segment or hypotenuse of triangle OQP and ORP. Both are common. OP is equal to OP. So hypotenuse are equal. Then you can show one side of this right angle triangle congruent. Segment OQ congruent segment OR. Segment OQ equal to segment OR. Why they both are equal? Because radius of the circle. दोनों सर्कल की रेडियस है OQ and OR. Both are radius, so they are equal. Hypotenuse and one side both are equal. So you can say triangle OQP and triangle ORP both are congruent. So write down here. Therefore, triangle OQP congruent triangle ORP. Triangle OQP congruent triangle ORP by hypotenuse side test. HL test. By hypotenuse side test. We show both triangles are congruent by reason hypotenuse side test. If both triangles are congruent, then remaining side of this triangle, PQ and PR both are also congruent. So write down here segment PQ equal to segment PR. Segment PQ is equal to segment PR. Corresponding side of congruent triangle. Corresponding side of congruent triangles are always congruent. So I write here segment PQ is equal to segment PR. Segment PQ and segment PR are tangent of given circle. Two tangent of given circle. So it's proved segment PQ means tangent PQ is equal to tangent PR.